pink with black and white mesh. If I get her locked in on the focus there. This is a very interesting pink. It's very similar to one of the other ones. If you can see one of the larger ones, it's a translucent, but this is a small bead. So the mesh covers up, you could see through it on different angles depending on the mesh, because one side of that mesh is black and the other side of the mesh is white. So it has a very interesting color scheme going on there. It's very complicated. But the thing is, if I take it off of the black string there, so if you put it on a pink string, it will refract a little bit differently. And this is smaller than most of the other beads that I've done. This one here is about 9/16, so that's a little over 1/2 inch, and about, I'd say, 3/4 in width. But still, it's a very attractive bead, just a round style. I haven't done anything this small since I was doing the Pandora style, which are more like this shape here, which with the metal ends on them. But that's another thing. I haven't done those in quite a while. So if you're interested in something like this or know somebody that is, please share it with them. Go to fiddlebone.com, and don't forget here on Facebook, not on Facebook, where are we? We're on YouTube right now. Like, share, and subscribe and all that stuff, so you know what's going on and what's new. As well as I'm on Instagram, and I do a lot of posting on Instagram as well. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.